As we wrap up our week-long salute to some of our country's most beloved regional favorites, our last stop is the Southwest. There we'll find a blend of recipes that were brought together from the Native Americans, cowboys, and Spanish settlers. That means we can count on dishes that have lots of flavor, like the fajitas we're whipping up today. We start by making our own seasoning blend by mixing together some ground cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Then we toss in some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that we cut into strips and give it a good shake. While those sit for a sec, we saute some bell peppers and onions that we've cut into strips. Once they're tender, we take them out of the skillet and add in the chicken. When it's cooked through, the veggies go back in and we add a splash of lime juice. When you serve this sizzling hot, flavor-packed combo along with some warm tortillas, are you ever in for a timeless Southwestern treat? The recipe for our Grande Chicken Fajitas is online now, along with all of this week's regional favorites. Hey, Kel, want half? I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where this week we found lots of tasty regional ways for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm. You always get the bigger half, don't you?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.